Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the Arctis 9X so the reset will work. Make sure the battery is above 20%, power the headset off, and remove any USB or adapter connections. Once done, press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons together for about 4 to 6 seconds until the LED status flashes. This forces the headset into pairing/reset handshake. You do this because it clears transient Bluetooth states and lets you proceed to the factory reset sequence without interference from previous connections. Now you perform the hard reset itself. Press and hold the power button together with the chat mix or Bluetooth/multifunction button for about 10 to 12 seconds. You need to monitor the LED. Alternating or rapid flashes indicate the headset is wiping stored pairings and returning settings to defaults. Release both buttons when the LED changes to a steady blink, then allow another 30 seconds for internal firmware and EEPROM to reinitialize. This step removes saved pairings and audio presets so you can start fresh. Finish by powering the headset on and repairing it to your console or PC using the normal pairing sequence. You should see a clean connection because stored pairings were erased. Once paired, open SteelSeries Engine or GG to check and apply any firmware updates, since resets can revert settings and require updates. If pairing still fails, try the key troubleshooting tip. Unplug the USB wireless adapter or base station for 10 seconds, then reinsert it and repeat the reset. This clears the adapter cache that often blocks reconnection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.